What up guys, good morning, welcome back. My name is Kamal Kalaf. I'm currently the founder and the owner of Disruptor Trading. It's 8 o'clock in the morning right now, West Coast. Looking to buy a couple calls on SPX while I'm watching the SPY charts. You can see on the 5-minute time frame that dip got bought. On the 20 moving average, that blue line. My entry is the next 5-minute candle that makes a new high. Then going to add at the break of the high day. Then right into a pre-market high. 10 seconds, we have a new 5-minute. Going to take a small size at the break of the 15 cents. I'm in right here, call. I always scale my way in, I average my way in. In case it turned against me, then I only take a loss on a small size. Stop loss under the whole dollar, under the 9 moving average on the 5 minutes for 50.97 cents. That's my stop loss. Out. Alright, so the first trade of the day is a red trade. I'm just gonna sit back and wait for another opportunity. Alright guys, welcome back. You can see I'm very thankful I got out on my stop loss. The stock continued going down. I got out on this candle as soon as it crossed this gray line on the 5-minute, the 9 moving average. You can see it already crossed the 20, the VWAP, and it went down to the 200 purple moving average right here. So I'm still gonna wait for another opportunity. But I'm happy that I got out on my stop loss. I did the good thing. Alright guys, welcome back. Currently, I'm thinking of taking a couple puts. After this candle got rejected on the VWAP. Entered right here. Took an entry. D9 about to go under the 20 on the 1 minute, which is bearish. I just bought the dip. Stop loss the next 5-minute candle that makes a new high. Alright, let's break that psychological 75 cents level. Let's break that ascending support right now. And these support pivots right here. We'll fight for that $0.50 to 50 cents. Pivot is 54 cents. Let's break that pivot. Fight for the $0.50. Then after that, the next pivot is the 40 cents. We have a new 5-minute candle. We just made a new low. Nice, we broke that ascending support. Let's break that pivot at 54 cents and break that $0.50. Going to give it a chance to retest that level. There we go, we broke the 60 cents, the pivot 54 cents. Let's break that. Let's break this pivot. 54 cents, let's break that. Break the $0.50 to 50 cents. $55, $54, let me see the, there we go. There we go. There we go. Yes, sell everything. Nice. Nice, beautiful. Beautiful. Close the day over 20%. Went from a red day to a green day. So, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the like button or the dislike button if you don't like the video. Leave a comment if you want. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, whatever you want. Peace.